G'day there. I get asked quite a fair bit how to mount these brackets to the back of an awning. And for newbies or people that haven't done it before, it can be a little bit daunting. So I'm going to show you how to do it. Now, a word of advice is you never tighten these up till after it's installed on the vehicle, because it's good to be able to get a few adjustments and slide it around. As you can see here, mine's a little bit offset because I'm dodging a rear door opening on my Jeep. All you need is either a 13mm ratchet or 13mm spanner. Use the supplied stainless steel hardware because it won't rust. Now let's get stuck into how to mount these brackets up. You ripper. Okay, so let's take a close look at how to install these brackets. You can either install them upways like that or underneath. It all depends on your setup. And what we need to do, let's grab one of the nuts and the bolts and we just unvelcro that like that. And then with the nut, we slide it in the channel just like this. Just like that. Okay, and the beauty is you can then slide them along to suit wherever you want to go. Now, I'm going to put mine up like that because that's how I have my setup. So then we'll just screw on the nut. So the nut like so. Now, what I normally do is I'm going to grab my 13mm ratchet. Now, when I tighten these up, I don't tighten it up all the way because sometimes it's really, really handy to slide this to get it in the perfect position once you're up on your vehicle, so we can still move this backwards and forwards. And what I'll do, just to do it once again, we'll grab another set. Just to show you once again, we're going to go into the channel, that, go into the channel again, like that. And this time around, I'll put it downwards. Move this up and down to suit wherever we want to put it in. So that's how you put on the brackets. Okay, so now you know how to mount the brackets up. So go out there, get stuck into it. You ripper.